Hello. I'm a crochet designer Jolly Lizard, and in this video I'll show you how to join granny squares and still get a strong joining and a beautiful seam. I use this method when creating granny square halter tops from my crochet patterns. We will be joining granny squares one by one. So first, we need to crochet one complete granny square. All subsequent ones will be crocheted without the last row. This final row is what will connect to the previous granny square. So, let's start crocheting the final row of a granny square and only complete two sides. We have crocheted 3 double crochets in the corner of the granny square, followed by 1 chain. Now take the already completed square and insert the hook into the chain space at its corner. Yarn over and pull the yarn through the chain. One chain. Next, we make 1 full double crochet. Find the corresponding stitch on the other square and use a slip stitch to join the double crochets together. Repeat this same process with the second double crochet. And then with the third one. We've connected all the double crochets of one corner. Continue in the same way, connecting the half double crochets next. And then the single crochets. Continue until the end of the corner. Then again, 1 chain. 1 chain through the second corner chain space. And 1 chain. We have 1 free chain, 1 chain joined with chain space, and 1 free chain. Continue the corner as usual. As a result, we have this beautiful seam. From the other side, it also looks great. Finish the square as usual. To join the next square, repeat the process from the first part of the video, up to the second corner. And again, 1 chain. 1 chain through the corner chain space. And 1 chain. Finish the square as usual. Join with slip stitch. The result we've achieved looks like this. This type of joining is suitable for clothing and accessories to avoid having too many gaps. Thank you for your attention. Waiting for your likes. And subscribe for more videos.